Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and I'm going to talk to you about hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids are inflamed and swollen veins around the anal area. And as it turns out, in our lives, about 75% of us will get hemorrhoids at different periods in our life. And once we're 50, about 50% of us get hemorrhoids. So this is something that happens in our body. It's relatively common. And for this reason, here at Optimal Health Network, we have figured out some excellent solutions that work really, really well. The most common symptom of a hemorrhoid is bright red blood on the toilet paper or in the toilet bowl. So if you have that, it's most likely caused from an inflamed vein in the anal area, a hemorrhoid. Hemorrhoids can be internal and they often aren't painful, but that doesn't mean you don't have them. Hemorrhoids can also prolapse and come out of the body, and those tend to be more painful. How to heal hemorrhoids? It's really good to use a topical oil-based treatment that is rich in healthy fats like olive oil and cocoa butter and vitamin E, as well as essential oils like lavender and tea tree and lemongrass. So that if the hemorrhoids are only external, applying the salve on the area each day after you have bathed well with a therapeutic soap. I recommend our made for enema soaps because they're rich in butyric acid, which is the main food for the lining of the rectal area, and so that will help to heal, and then you can apply onto that clean area a salve. Also, if the hemorrhoids are internal, I would definitely consider a suppository treatment because you can get the oils into the rectal area and they can sit there and heal the inflamed veins over time, and that works incredibly well. So taking that suppository into the body with the essential oils in it, the essential oils clove, rosemary, tea tree, and melaleuca. So if you have any questions or need help with healing your hemorrhoids, feel free to reach out to us at Optimal Health Network, and know that you can be hemorrhoid free.